Hi everyone, I am Bhargav. I have completed my Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering from Aditya College of Engineering, Bagupalli, and I have graduated in the year of 2024. And coming to my journey with JSpiders, I have joined in JSpiders in the month of November, and recently I have got joined in FSDA. And coming to the FSDA, the faculties gave me lots of support, and coming to the knowledge given by the faculties is immense support they have given, and they will groom you based on the skills and based on the company's requirements and based on the patterns, and grooming sessions helped me a lot to got placed in this and coming to the presentations, I have done lots of presentations in which I can say that the presentations, by doing presentations, has improved my lots of communication skills. And coming to the faculties, my Java was taken by Anupama ma'am, Manasa ma'am. And coming to the SQL, my SQL classes are taken by Ananya ma'am. And coming to the Selenium is ongoing with Rajat sir. And coming to the manual classes, my manual class is ongoing with Chandana ma'am. And coming to the advanced Java classes, my advanced Java classes is ongoing by Gagan sir. And I can say that by joining in JSpiders and after joining into the FSDA, I have improved a lot of skills in which I am lagging with, and I suggest everyone to join in JSpiders. Thank you.